Deep in the heart of Prosser wine country lies Desert Wind Winery, where the Mojave restaurant sets the stage for gourmet chef Kristin Johnson, who teaches a cooking class like no other. The classes feature menus from their supper club parties, and this particular class showcases Knutzen's meats and their Walla Walla sweet onion barbecue sauce on pulled pork that is served on a fantastic flatbread. Chef Kristin also showcases Irv's fabulous Whiskey Hollow marinated tri-tip and offers tips on smoking and cutting the tri-tip correctly. So let's get ready to cook with Chef Kristin at Desert Wind Winery. First, the recipes for the cooking class are given to each student, and the students have a hands-on learning experience in creating a culinary flatbread masterpiece featuring the finest local ingredients. The flatbreads are then topped with Marie's Walla Walla sweet onion pulled pork. This meat has been cold smoked, then it's baked in the oven, so the pulled pork is perfectly tender and full of flavor. Next, it's off to the oven for the flatbread. When it's finished baking, Chef Kristin carefully readies the flatbread for presentation and then for its joyous consumption. Chef Kristin also pairs each entree with an appropriate wine that is delivered by her lovely staff. Up next is our fabulous Irv's Whiskey Hollow tri-tip, which has been smoked in Irv's Whiskey Hollow marinade and some Desert Wind Ruah. Chef Kristin shares her double tinfoil tip to keep the juices in, and with her sharp knife skillfully cuts the marinated masterpiece the correct way, against the grain. Irv's Wine Country Whiskey Hollow marinated tri-tip. Fabulous.
So Chef Kristin, can you tell me more about the supper club and the cooking class?
Absolutely. So it's kind of the chicken or the egg concept. Which came first, the supper club or the cooking class? And here it's the supper club. So our supper club is a family-style gourmet dinner. So you can come sit with a huge group of people. I try not to do over 35, but we can definitely do more than that if need be. And our owners, one of the owners come from Duck Pond or Desert Wind Winery, our affiliate winery. And they come and they host the event, and I take local purveyors and local wineries, and I get to build an entire menu based around the seasonality of what is going on at the time. So Knutzen's Meats is a good one to use right now, because that's what our last supper club was based on. And so I was able to meet with the Knutzens and sit down and talk about the amazing products that they have to offer. And by using those products, then I can build a whole menu around that and pair the wines. So to follow that wonderful menu that we came up with and used for the supper club, then we take that and turn it into a cooking class. So if you love the supper club, you can come to the cooking class and actually get the recipes and learn how to make all of the items that you had in the supper club.
So the next time you're in Prosser wine country looking for a fun family place to eat, a cooking class or supper club with an amazing chef, beautiful accommodations for your next special event or party, or an incredible patio with an amazing view, make Desert Wind Winery your stop. And from our family to yours, thanks for tuning in. This has been a presentation by Knutzen's Meats. Please subscribe. Adios.
Love is a burning thing.